Welcome back, guys. This is Garage Cars. Today, we're taking a ride back in time with the iconic Citroën 2CV, a vintage beauty that redefined simplicity and charm. From its quirky design to its timeless appeal, this classic car has a story worth celebrating. Let's dive in. The Citroën 2CV, affectionately known as the Deux Chevaux, is a timeless symbol of simplicity and charm. Introduced in 1948 and produced for decades, this vintage beauty was designed to be the ultimate people's car, a vehicle that could carry farmers, city dwellers, and adventurers alike with minimal fuss. Today, it remains a beloved classic, admired for its quirky personality and enduring appeal. Despite its modest roots, the 2CV's performance has a unique character that endears it to enthusiasts. Powered by an air-cooled two-cylinder engine, early models produced just 9 horsepower, but it was enough to navigate rural French roads with surprising agility. Later models upped the ante to around 29 horsepower, which still won't win any races but delivers a driving experience that's all about savoring the journey. Its lightweight construction and ingenious suspension system make for a remarkably smooth ride, even on bumpy terrain. The 2CV's exterior design is instantly recognizable and delightfully unconventional. Its iconic corrugated metal body, designed for affordability and durability, exudes a quirky charm that has aged gracefully over the decades. With its rounded fenders, minimalist grille, and signature roll-back canvas roof, the 2CV strikes a balance between function and flair. Each detail, from its oversized headlights to its cheerful color options, adds to its vintage allure and unmistakable presence on the road. Inside, the 2CV embraces a no-frills ethos that's both practical and endearing. The cabin is refreshingly simple, with hammock-style seats, a Spartan dashboard, and a single speedometer gauge. Yet, this minimalism is part of its charm, offering an authentic experience that connects the driver to the essence of motoring. The retractable roof adds an open-air vibe, perfect for leisurely countryside drives. Despite its simplicity, the 2CV is surprisingly roomy, comfortably accommodating passengers and cargo in its cleverly designed interior. Fuel efficiency was a cornerstone of the 2CV's design, making it an economical choice for its time. With its small engine and lightweight frame, the 2CV could travel long distances on a modest amount of fuel. Even by today's standards, its efficiency is impressive, appealing to eco-conscious drivers who appreciate its vintage style. The Citroën 2CV is more than just a car, it's a piece of automotive history and a testament to the beauty of simplicity. Decades after its debut, it continues to capture hearts with its unique character and timeless design. That's the Citroën 2CV, a true legend that proves simplicity never goes out of style. Share your thoughts on this timeless classic in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Garage Cars for more automotive stories. See you next time.